What drink sizes make the most money for pop-up drink stands? The medium-sized cup is almost always the one that makes the most money, because it costs only a little more to make than the small size, but you can charge a lot more for it. Think about it like this. If you sell a small cup for $2 and a large cup for $5, most people will feel like the large is a much better deal, so they will pick something in the middle instead, which is usually the medium. That middle cup usually only costs you a few extra cents of ice, syrup, or fruit to make, but you get to charge almost double the price of the small one. This trick is called the decoy effect. In grocery stores, movie theaters, and coffee shops use it all the time, without people even noticing. The small size is not really there to be your best seller. It is there to make the medium and large look like a better deal by comparison. A lot of pop-up stand owners forget this and price their cups too close together, which means people just grab the cheapest one every time. If you space your prices out the right way, with a big jump between small and medium, but a smaller jump between medium and large, people naturally drift toward the middle option because their brain tells them it feels smart. One thing you really need to watch out for is your cup and ice cost, because if you do not measure exactly how much syrup, fruit, or ice goes into each size, you could be losing money without even realizing it, so weigh or measure your ingredients every single time you make a new recipe. Another big mistake is pricing your large size too high just because it looks impressive, when really most customers will rarely choose it. So keep the large as a treat option and put your real profit focus on the medium. Also, do not forget that fancy size names like small, tall, and grande can confuse customers, so keep your sizing simple and clear so people spend less time thinking and more time buying. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.